how to change your Alibaba.com email address. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started and see how we can do it. For that, we can open up email address or Alibaba.com. And once we are here, look out for this profile option in the top right corner to open up a menu and select the option of account from the menu that pops up. Once we have done so, we can head over and look out for a section to change email address. So we have an account security section here. All we gotta do is find this section and click on this option called change email and click on it. After that, once we click on it, we just need to head over and change email in this section. So here, first of all, we need to enter the verification code that will be sent to our email and confirm it up. And it will provide us with a page where we can update our email address. So this is our current email address, and we just need to enter up a new email address here that we would like to confirm. So enter it up here in the section. Once it is done, you can click on continue. And you may need to complete up a verification code sent to the new email and the old email as well. And you can confirm up the change, and that way your email should be changed very easily. If you can't access your old email, you can use phone verification if it's linked. But that is it. You can update it in one go. Changes may log temporarily if repeated. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.